There are women in this world who walk through life carrying more than people will ever see. Not just weight, but expectations, judgments, whispers, stares, and the heavy feeling of never being enough in a world obsessed with perfection. And yet, they wake up, they show up, they keep going. That alone makes them powerful. You see, strength doesn't always look like confidence. Sometimes strength looks like a woman who keeps living her life even when the world tries to make her feel small. To every woman who has ever felt judged for her body, to every woman who has ever been looked at like she didn't belong, to every woman who has ever felt invisible, unwanted, or not attractive enough, listen closely. You are not here to fit into someone else's idea of beauty. You are here to define your own. Your worth is not measured in pounds. Your value is not determined by a mirror. Your beauty is not something the world gets to vote on. You are beautiful because you are real, because you are human, because you are here. Every curve, every scar, every stretch mark tells a story of survival. A story of a woman who has lived, felt, endured, and kept going. And that is beautiful. People may stare, let them. People may judge, let them. People may talk, let them. Because their opinions don't build your life. Their opinions don't pay your bills. Their opinions don't define your future. You do. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to walk with your head high. You are allowed to love yourself exactly as you are. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you choose. And today, choose this. I am worthy. I am enough. I am allowed to exist without apologizing. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. You don't need to be pretty to be valuable. You don't need to be small to be loved. You deserve respect. You deserve kindness. You deserve joy. You deserve to feel beautiful. Not because of how you look, but because of who you are. And who you are is a woman with a heart that refuses to give up. A woman with strength she doesn't even realize she has. A woman who has survived every bad day she thought would break her. You are not too much. You are not less than. You are not invisible. You are a force. And the moment you stop letting the world define you is the moment you become unstoppable. So stand tall, lift your chin, walk forward. Not because the world finally sees your worth, but because you finally do.